This objective is linear functions. Number 31 says to graph 2x minus 3y equals 6. There are a couple different ways I will do this, and I'll show you both ways just in case. I like to, on this one, just do find the intercepts. So if we pretend like the negative 3y is not there, so I'll just cover it up with my cursor here. To get x by itself, we'll divide by 2. So 6 divided by 2 would be 3. So we would know that x is equal to 3. And then if I cover up the 2x, to get the y by itself, we would divide both sides by negative 3. 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2, so y equals negative 2. And we've just found our intercepts, which means this graph touches the x-axis at 3, and it touches the y-axis down at negative 2, and then we can connect them. If you are a solve for y grapher on this one, we would subtract 2x from both sides. So only watch this if you didn't like my first method. So negative 3y equals 6 minus 2x. To get the y by itself, we divide all three parts by negative 3. And then I'll get y equals 6 divided by negative 3 is negative 2. A negative divided by a negative is a positive 2/3 x. So we'd start down at negative 2. We'd go up 2 over 3. Gives us the exact same graph. All right, the next one we have y is less than 3x minus 4. I'm going to just graph like normal. We're going to start down at negative 4, put a dot. Our slope is 3, so from there we'll go up 3 over 1. I'll do that a couple times. Up 3 over 1. There is no equal sign, so we know this is going to be a dashed line. And then because it is an inequality, we do need to test. And I'm going to test 0, 0. So if I test it, I'm going to get 0 is less than negative 4, and we just need to decide, is that a true statement? Is the mouth eating the bigger number? Absolutely not. So this is a false statement. And so we're not going to shade the side with 0, 0. We are going to shade the other side. So that's what that answer would look like. Number 33 asks us to solve for x. So the first thing that I'm going to do on this one is distribute the 3. When I do that, I'll get 6x minus 12 equals negative 10x plus 36. We next want to get our x's together, so to get rid of the negative 10x on the right side, I will add it to both sides. So that will give me 16x minus 12 is equal to 36. The next thing that I want to do is to get rid of the minus 12, so I will add 12 to both sides to do that. So I'll get 16x equals 36 plus 12 is 48, and then to finish it, we'll divide both sides by 16, and I'll get x is equal to 3. Right, number 34. Jalen has $23 and earns $8 each day he completes his chores. If x represents the number of days he has completed his chores and f of x is the amount of money he has, write a function for f of x. So we know that this is a linear function because it's going up by a constant amount each day, so it's going to be y equals mx plus b. The slope, how much is it going up by each day? $8, so it'll be 8x plus the b is where we started. Jalen started with $23. So that would be my equation, and it did actually ask me to write a function for f of x, so instead of the y, we will just sub out the f of x instead. And there we go.